brothers and sisters, I want to thank the Almighty God for a day like this, and I want to thank the organizers for asking me to come and pray for you and pray for Nigeria. But when they told me that I would be ministering for about 10 minutes, I said, if I pray for 10 minutes, by the time I finish praying, I hope those who are listening to me will not be falling asleep. So I believe that what they actually mentioned is that probably I will share a few thoughts with you before I pray. I'm sure you all know that I'm not a politician. I don't belong to any political party. I've never been governor, and neither do I ever hope to be. As a matter of fact, each time I travel throughout the world and I have the opportunity of visiting Escort states, I always come out of there thanking God that I'm a pastor. Because when you consider all the protocols, all the security checks, you can only come to the conclusion that it's easier to see Jesus Christ than to see some of our heads of states. But before I became a pastor, I was a mathematician, an applied mathematician. And mathematicians they practically live their lives solving problems. You see, when we begin to talk about Nigeria from the year 2060, the first question that a mathematician will want to ask is, one, are we sure there will be Nigeria in the year 2060? In other words, you're talking about something that you are not 100% sure will be there at the time you are talking about it. You see, because before we can begin to discuss Nigeria of 2060, we need to address the problems that we have right now. That if these problems are not solved, then this will be just an academic exercise. Not that I don't enjoy the exercise. I mean, it's very refreshing. But you see, I think on one of the occasions when I was on a long flight from London to Singapore, a journey of about 13 hours or something.
For those saying
eating and you slept and you woke up and then discover you still have some 7 hours to go. Definitely you have time to fool around a little bit. And then I was thinking about Nigeria. And I have these thoughts within myself, which I think I will just share with you. By the time I finish sharing it, you are likely to consider it a joke from a mathematician, because after all, mathematicians can be eccentric at times. I just felt that why can't we have a system of government that is 100% Nigerian, unique to us? For example, we started off with the British system of government. Somewhere along the line, we moved over to the American system of government. And I was just wondering, can't we have a combination of both and see whether it could help us solve a problem? You see, because in mathematics, if you want to solve a problem and you try what we call real analysis and it doesn't work, then you move on to complex analysis and see if that will help you. If that fails, you move on to vector analysis and so on. I believe that probably we might need to look at the problem of Nigeria in a slightly different manner. You see, because some people feel that all our problems will be over if Nigeria should break up.
They have to break up.
I think that is trying to solve the problem of Nigeria.
You will solve the problem.
It's a simple equation.
You will solve the problem.
The problems of
Nigeria spoke today. I hear Osinbajo spoke about something.
Some of them are
very, very important.
Either. Forgive me, I'm talking as a mathematician. So I was thinking, why can't we, for example, have a system of government that will create a kind of what I would call United States of Nigeria? And let me explain. We all know that we must restructure. I mean, it's either we restructure or we break. That means you don't have to be a prophet. That is certain to come. Restructure or break up.
Break up is the best.
Break up. I mean, God forbid.
Why? Why God forbid?
In restructuring, why don't we have, like I said, a Nigerian kind of democracy?
That could not work.
For example,
people are suffering. That is not good.
President,
I don't like that idea.
And a prime minister, so that one is not an appendage of the other. For example, if the president controls the army and the prime minister controls the police, if the president controls, we say, resources like oil and mining, and the prime minister controls finance and inland revenue, taxes and customs, etc., etc. You just divide the responsibilities between the two. And then you come to the state level. And at the state level, you have the governor and you have the premier. And again, you distribute responsibilities between these people in such a manner that one cannot really go all alone without the other. Maybe this is just a mathematical suggestion, and a mathematician can be eccentric, like I've said. Maybe we might begin to tackle the problem. And if we're going to adopt this model, which you eminent personalities will be able to talk about, I think then we will need urgently to restore what we used to call the House of Chiefs. I have a feeling that one of our major problems is that we have pushed the traditional rulers to the background. And I believe that's a great error, particularly for a country like Nigeria. You see, I find it very ridiculous that one will ask a traditional ruler to inform the chairman of his local government before he travels. Go to any town in Nigeria. Everybody in the town knows who is the paramount ruler, and they respect him. Many of them don't even know the name of the chairman of their local government. The traditional rulers are the actual landlords. They control the respect of their people. Their people will listen to them much more than, I'm sorry to say, they will listen to some politicians. And so just like they have, say, the House of Lords in Britain, why can't we have the House of Chiefs? We might expand it and include in that House of Chiefs, as they do in Britain, include some religious leaders, bishops. I'm not a bishop, I'm a pastor, so don't think I'm including myself. Bishops, chief imams, and so on and so on. These are people who can shape the opinions of the people. I'm just putting that one as a little
tó bá ń kọ́ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ibi tí mọ̀mọ́ tó ní chọ́ọ̀chì ti wàásù ní chọ́ọ̀chì Àgbàlá Daniel lọ́jọ́ náà ló kọjú sí ọba Olúbùṣe. Ó ní kábíyèsí o bàbá, ó ní mo rí ìran kan nísìnyí o, ó ní mo rí fíìdì yẹn ó pọ̀ ó lọ rẹ́rẹ́rẹ́rẹ́, ó lọ wá rí ìkòkò kan láàrin fíìdì yẹn, ó lọ wá rí àgbò mẹ́ta ó mu omi wọ́n jẹun nínú àgbò yẹn, wọ́n jọ fi orí sí àgbò yẹn wọ́n jẹun. Ó ní ṣàdédé rí lórí tí àwọn àgbò mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi orí kanra wọn nínú ìkòkò tí wọ́n ti ń jẹun yẹn. Ó ní kò pẹ́ kó jìnnà ní kòkò bá fọ́, làwọn àgbò mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yẹn wọ́n bá gbójú wọn sókè yẹn jọ wo ìkíní wò kíní ìkejì wò kejì, wọ́n dẹ̀ jà wọ́n dá onílùkálukú bá bá tiẹ̀ lọ sí ọ̀nà tiẹ̀. Ó ní kábíyèsí o bàbá, ó ní tó bá yá ó ní Ọlọ́run máa pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà sí mẹ́ta, ó ní látọwọ́ Olúwa ló ti máa wá. Ìgbà tí bàbá wa Olúbùṣe gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn ló bá dìde. Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe? Wọ́n wá sọ fún àwọn wòlíì yẹn, ó ní iṣẹ́ wà lọ́wọ́ yín tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nínú chọ́ọ̀chì lọ́jọ́ Sunday. Bí bàbá Olúbùṣe ṣe dìde nìyẹn. Ẹgbẹ́ Awólọ́wọ̀ ni bàbá Olúbùṣe máa ń ṣe nígbà náà. Bàbá Olúbùṣe wá jòkó ronú pé jẹ́ kó yí padà sí ẹgbẹ́ àwọn Arẹwà tí ìjọba wà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Bí bàbá Olúbùṣe ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ti gbé bàbá mi hàn. Bí bàbá Olúbùṣe bó ṣe dìde nìyẹn tó lọ so mọ́ Babangida. Pé Babangida jọ bá mi pín Nàìjíríà sí mẹ́ta, Ọlọ́run náà máa pín òun máa fi ìjọba tó ń lé òun lọ́wọ́. Ní Olúbùṣe wá ní Babangida ní ìpínlẹ̀ rẹ̀ ò tó gba nation. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi báyìí. Ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pín state. Tá a bá bá yín pín state tá a fọ́ state yín sí wẹ́wẹ́, á lè tó pín sí láti lè tó gba nation. Ìgbà tí Babangida dìde láti pín láti máa fún wa ní state, táwọn Arẹwà ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà pẹ̀lú Babangida nìyẹn náà. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ pín, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe àwọn náà ní àwọn náà máa gbà, àwọn náà máa gbà. Ó ṣàyà Babangida ṣáà lo agbára tó ní. Ó pín Ọ̀yọ́ sí méjì, ó pín Oǹdó sí méjì, ibẹ̀ láti yọ Èkìtì, Ọ̀yọ́ láti yọ Ọ̀ṣun. Ó wá rí i pé kí ló tún lè ṣe, ẹ jẹ́ ká pín káńsù. Kí káńsù bá pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ, tó tá a bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ fún yín ní nation, a lè fọwọ́ ẹ̀ sọ̀yà pé state yín tó gba nation. Ibi tí wàhálà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn táwọn Haúsá ò ní kí Babangida gbádùn. Ó ṣàpè káńsù fún wa lọ rẹpẹtẹ. Ìgbà tí Babangida rí pé ọwọ́ ọ̀tá ẹ̀tì gbogbo rẹ̀ àwọn Arẹwà ò jẹ́ kó rí nǹkan kan ṣe. Lòun náà bá tún dìde ló bá lọ pa àwọn òdìbò pé ṣé ẹ lè bá wọn ya òkun wá sí ilẹ̀ Haúsá. Àwọn ilé kò ṣeé ṣe, wọlé Ọlọ́run ló ní òun kì í ṣe omi téèyàn lè fọwọ́ kàn. Kí ni mo fẹ́ fàyọ? Láti ọgbọ̀n ọdún sẹ́yìn ni Ọlọ́run ti gbẹnu mọ̀mọ́ wa wòlíì. Mo ti gbàgbé púpọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ yẹn wọn lórí Àgbàlá Daniel tó bá gbọ́ mi báyìí. Òun náà máa sọ pé mọ̀mọ́ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó rántí nǹkan. Báwo Olúbùṣe nígbà ayé wọn lọ́gbọ̀n ọdún sẹ́yìn ni Olúwa ti gbẹnu wòlíì. Màmá Àgbàlá Daniel sọ wípé Olúwa ó fi ìran hàn òun pé òun máa pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà sí mẹ́ta. So láti gba yẹn ládé tí ń ṣógùn bóyá jẹ́jẹ́ kò jẹ́jẹ́ làwọn Arẹwà ti wá sán sókòtò pé àwọn aráàbí tó bá yá wọ́n sì máa lọ o. Gbogbo àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó ń jáde náà wọ́n rí ṣùgbọ́n ó wá fi ògo fún Ọlọ́run. Lọ́jọ́ tí mo rí Kóìkí lórí social media tó nìkan mi rìn lọ tó ń rìn bọ̀ ní UK lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn-ún. Àwọn olólùwò ṣeun, mo lóyún orílẹ̀-èdè máa pín láìpẹ́. títí gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kọjá wá sí Nàìjíríà tóun àti bàbá wa Sunday ọmọ Adéyẹmọ tí wọ́n gbé
Ìgbòho Òòṣà 1.
So inú mi wá dùn oṣù tẹ́yìn lè sọ.
When you look this video, subscribe, share, like, and pull the notification bell on.
Tí president lè pé, tí ìjòyè lè pé, Nàìjíríà ti pé already. Olúwa ló pè kì í ṣe ènìyàn. Olúwa ló pè ó. Agbára Ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn yín. Àsìkò náà ti súnmọ́, ó ti súnmọ́.